How to adjust the video speed on the Samsung Galaxy S23, S24, or the S25. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the gallery app. Next, in here, we go back to the main gallery's homepage, and I'm just going to open up the camera folder. So open up the video that you want to edit. For example, that one there. Then tap on the edit button. Next, tap on the speed button at the top here. So we got the slow speed at 1/4, 1/2, or half, or 1x or 2x. So you can make it really fast or really slow. Here, using the slider bar to make the selection of where you want to increase or decrease the speed. So we can select the whole video here, or simply part of the video.
So here I'm recording, has a little bit of wind, not too much. So I'm not sure if you can hear the sound of the wind.
Okay, so that's speeding up the video. So we can revert it back. So revert back to original. And here we can slow it down. And here. So again, you can drag on this slider bar and choose which part of the video to slow down or increase the speed. After that, tap on the save button, then tap on saved. So it says save over the original. So you can tap on save. Later on, you can also use the revert button to revert back to the original. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.